Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with BMO Harris Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar just type in bmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website of BMO Bank. You might be asked to select your region, so just go ahead and select whichever region you're from. Once you do this, you will be taken to the home page. Now, in order to log into your account, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner, and then you will be able to select which kind of account that you want to log into. Just go ahead and click on your appropriate account, and you will be taken to the login portal. You will now be asked to enter your user ID and your password to log into your account. So just go ahead and type in your user ID followed by your password, and then click on the sign in button, and you will be logged into your account with BMO Harris Bank. In case you forgot your user ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot User ID or the Forgot Password button underneath the user ID and the password box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with BMO Harris. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.